Oh, girl text me back. Lovely, I love that. Alright, welcome back, YouTube. Today, I am taking a massive risk with my finances and entrusting this Kawasaki H2, the most expensive thing I've ever bought and owned, to my friend Evan over here, who is currently dancing with his R1. I trust Evan with my life and soul, and so I'm not like too worried about this, but I also have the best insurance in the entire world, so if anything is to happen, I should be alright. If not, you're gonna be in generational debt, my boy.
Riding poverty spec bikes the rest of my life.
Yeah, there's not really much to tell you about this bike other than the electronics are really good, and so you can just rip on it and it'll take care of everything for you.
Well, yeah, no, I'm gonna take it easy at first until I get a good feel for it.
Oh, no, I mean, like, full send it, dude. When you do, like, rip on it, the wheel comes up, just know that the wheelie control is really good, so you don't have to worry about that. It will save you, basically. It's kind of like the R1, where it, like, gets the wheel up a little bit and, like, yeah. It's very dramatic. It like cuts the fuel and sounds really crazy. Just another thing to be aware of is this is a very strange bike. Wow, 3 gallons. Yeah, that's crazy. Expensive bike. When you are ripping on it, since it's not tuned, the throttle is a little wonky, and so sometimes when you start to pull off, it'll actually pull even harder, and so you like really have to like muscle it and like let off, if that makes sense. So like you'll pull on the throttle, you'll be pushed back into your seat, and you'll be like oh shit. And then you'll try to pull, you'll like let go of the throttle a little bit, but it'll just keep pulling, and so you gotta like, yeah, like really, yeah, you gotta really like, everything else is like, it's really a stable bike. Sometimes when you're doing pulls, it'll pull to the left or right, but that's just because like the horsepower is a little. Well, I just hope you don't die.
I will. I'll try not to die.
Please, on my bike. I love you, Evan. I don't want to watch you. Oh boy.
Damn, this isn't as heavy as I thought it was gonna be.
Well, you look good. I'm gonna have you actually.
What?
What was that? Heard somebody yell. Oh, hello.
Hey.
Alright, go ahead, give her a cold start. Or warm-ish start. Just take it easy first getting on the highway, because she needs a second to warm up, but
Yeah.
once she gets, once we get out of Strongsville, we should be totally fine to rip it.
We're going down to the pier, right?
The clutch lets out quite far, just a heads up.
Alright.
I guess so does yours too. Yours is about the same, that's fine.
Oh, right there. Alright.
It's alright, you can burn my clutch, I've burned it tons of times.
Kickstands down.
What? Oh my god, what the fuck? How did I even kick in the gear?
Oh boy! Oh no! Does not let me have this much power.
Give it some revs. Oh boy, oh my god, dude. This is it's gonna be fun.
This is gonna be a good ride, ladies and gentlemen.
God, I think it looks good in the sun, the way it's reflective.
I know, dude. I do like the spark.
It's crazy, you could just go out and buy that thing.
I know. The fact that you can just walk into it, it's different. Like, yeah, let me get that. Oh my god!
You look sick on that thing, dude.
Oh god! Oh, the lunatic.
Yeah, after you do a pull, you gotta wait a little bit.
But that's why it's like these in interviews.
Yes, yeah, it's really bad. It's stupid, I know, it's a design flaw.
I'm gonna take it easy on the turn.
Taking it easy, he says, sideways.
This one I'll definitely take easy. Yeah.
It's not that much crazier than a regular bike.
No, it's not.
Or a regular 1000, but a little bit. The top end tends to kind of fall on its face a little bit because tune, I don't know, the factory tune is really bad towards the top end, but other than that, I mean, it's pretty fun around the mid-range just because all that torque from the supercharger. The suspension is soft, but yeah, it's not the worst. I've gotten pretty low on it before. Anyway, this is Jaden. He's one of my friends. He has this beautiful RSV4. He's next up on riding the Kawasaki H2 list. Do you have any initial... Oh, let me run you through exactly what I ran through with Evan. So, H2 has great electronics. You just kind of harp on it, like you rip it really hard, and it'll take care of everything for you. The wheel will come up a little bit, but it's nothing to be afraid of. The only thing I please ask is it doesn't have an intercooler, and so I'm gonna...
I have it on the boost gauge. It's already set up.
It resets it every time you turn the bike off, so I gotta...
Do you want it, if we're sitting still, turn it off?
No, you're fine. Just the boost... So, see the boost gauge right there?
Yeah.
Don't let that get above 200. So after you rip on it a little bit, you got to pull off and let it cool down a little bit. It's really stupid. I've been told that people melt those down stock, so I ripping on it. So just, yeah, be easy on it, and I love you very much. Take care of my bike.
Thank you. I love you. Take care of mine.
You just can't ride it like an NA bike. It sucks, but
You've rode those before, so you know. Clutch is a little crunchy. Just has that want to go, but might break feeling.
yeah.
Aprilia.
No, I'm looking forward to this. This is gonna be fun. I love RSV4s.
Man.
It's a big boy,
Yeah, girl.
big girl.
Big girl.
You
I
look-
feel like I look tiny on it.
Just like Evan, you look good on that thing, dude. She's a hard bike to move, isn't she? She's a little heavy.
Yeah.
Big girl.
You know what they say about the big ones? They're funner.
Ooh, sorry, buddy.
Hearing.
Yeah, he's got the RS660. He's used to it.
He was with me on my way here.
Is this thing tuned?
Is that?
Yeah.
No.
What is with you and not getting tunes on your motorcycles?
I don't know.
They run so much better with tunes. I mean, I don't have a tune on my H2 either, but it kind of lacks feel, but it has a little bit more consistency, which is nice, but
Oh yeah.
a little bit easier because you don't have to adjust it all the time.
throttle reminds me of my CX-10. It takes a little bit of a twist for it to really engage or like pick up.
Oh, I can feel that V4 heat, dude.
Yeah. The temp gauge is up in the top left.
Yeah.
If it gets over like 225, just flip it off. It cools down pretty quick.
Is that something you do for the bike, or is that just recommendation for
It's
my
just what I
suffering?
do.
Okay.
Because at that point, the temp gauge is like way up.
We might run into that when we get into Strongsville, but we'll see. Maybe we can take the long way and kind of avoid it.
You grab neutral. Not bad.
It's tough sometimes.
Pretty easy on that. It's actually easier. Okay, just interrupt me. It's fine.
I'm waiting. This guy is. What are we doing?
Funny bus? Funky bus?
The funny bus?
Is it? It says both.
The guy in front of us had the right of way. Why did he do that? I don't know why. It was so weird. Anyway, I'm gonna flip on the highway right here.
We're going left.
H2 versus RSV4, dude.
Oh man, I think we can do that.
We did that before already. Mr. Cat, Mr. Jixer, man. Wait after this car.
Very nice.
Yeah, she's fun. Little whistle. A little extra flavor to it. Alright, let's hope this guy stays in his
This
lane.
clutch is very scary to me. Wow.
Now, do,
This acceleration is crazy. It's so smooth.
do you see the boost gauge just go flying up on the H2? I'm saying, like, do you notice the temperature gauge on the top right go flying up? Okay. Thank you.
My bad. I started looking at the gauge and I'm like, oh, there's a curve.
Oh my god. Dude, this V4 sounds amazing. That's awesome, dude. Oh, we got a little cop up ahead. This thing doesn't have a plate, does it?
I'll come over there with you. I'll get behind you guys.
Is that a real cop? Could just be EMS.
Fly by him and see what he does.
I don't, yeah, but except it has my plate on it, which goes back to my name. Could just be, I've seen a lot of EMS guys down here and they look just like cops. Dude, this V4 sounds so good.
What gear are you in?
Fifth?
If you pop it into third, it's just so much more crispy.
Yeah, but then you're riding it like high RPM. I hate
A
that.
little more responsive too.
This is my first time like really riding it, because last time I rode it down the street and then accidentally broke it.
What?
I can hear the turbo or the supercharger flutter in the headset. It's funny.
I'm struggling to hear you because I had to turn it down.
I really hope this cop doesn't go 71 south. That would kind of ruin your
Let's
whole
go ask him what's up. This plate's not mine, officer.
I hate you.
When did they pave down here, bro? This is so nice.
That's where all the construction was a while ago. Oh, that is a real cop. That's cool. So we are
Ow.
kind of flying up on him.
Where are you from, Mr. Officer? I struggle to read, so I'm gonna need him to sound it out for me. Cleveland Metro Parks. Wow.
Oh, he's a Metro Parks cop.
The fucking zookeeper? Really?
He's not a real cop. Well, your bike doesn't have a plate, right, Jaden?
It's in my bag.
Cool.
It can't have a plate. The pipe will melt it.
Cool.
Are we staying straight down?
Take 176. Let's dodge the cop.
176?
Yeah. I just want to dodge the cop. Plus 480 is kind of fun too. We'll just take 480 to 71.
Well, we're not at a Metro Park, man. He's not gonna do anything.
Well, you don't know that.
I do know that. We talk. Oh, dude, give it some beans over here.
I mean, we can try. Dude, that tire on the H2 looks bald. That looks horrible.
Try to take it so like mellow on this. I've never been on one like on the highway before.
Well, that's the only way to enjoy it.
Yeah.
You want to go in front of us, Jaden?
What's up?
You want to go in front?
Which way are we just...
Taking 480 west to 71.
Hey, be careful by state. When I first got on this morning, there were probably 2 state troopers on the off-ramp.
Oh, word?
So just be careful around there.
Maybe if we go fast enough, they won't chase.
Yeah. I'm noticing a lot of similarity with the CX-10 in terms of like where the shifter, like where the lever is on my foot, it's lower compared to the RSV4.
Yeah.
And then just the way, when I say the auto blip like throws you, I don't mean like it lurches you, but it's definitely a harder flick into a lower gear.
Yeah, it's very notchy. If you're gonna harp on it, just make sure you give it time to cool off, which we had a lot of traffic here, so you should have time.
I don't know if I'm gonna do a hard pull on it at all.
Go down to second and then rip it.
Right here?
Yeah.
That's insane.
And very strange how it makes power. So smooth.
Thank you. She's so pretty. Woo! Oh my god. Hold up. Federale.
He's just sitting there. Menacingly. I don't see that cop.
I'm gonna get over it.
I would think that he would be caught up to us by now if he was actually trying to get us, but...
Even accelerating in 6th gear, dude. From like 75. It just whoa. Sickening. Hey, you better slow down.
Oh, yeah. That feels good. So nice. These bumps right here. I take these home every other day.
I miss my cruise control, man.
I know. I hate how that bike doesn't have... Pay $36,000 for that bike and you don't get cruise control.
Oh, man. I would write a letter.
I already made an angry video to Kawasaki for that one. I'm sure
that thing's got it. The same button you use to do pit limiter, it's not in track mode, so you should be good. If you just want to set cruise in the speed limit like a really good Nucle.
Oh, yay!
Hey, it dips to the right.
Word.
So just keep that in mind.
Why does it dip to the right? That's not good.
What's up? That it dips?
Yeah, why does it do that?
Oh, dude, they all do that. It's weird.
That's
not all bikes, but like multiple people that I talk to with RSV4s, they all say on cruise when you let go, it goes to the right.
But why?
If I had to guess, it would be that heavy ass clutch pack.
I do kind of notice it pulling to the right. What the
Just
heck?
a little. It's not severe. Like it's not gonna affect you immediately, but it does do it.
That's so weird, bro.
The CX-10's it's straight as an arrow, and that's why you should get a CX-10. That's for everybody.
I would love the CX-10, but at the same
Everybody
time,
get a CX-10 right now.
I'm done with 1000 cc's, bro. I can't do it anymore.
Oh, come on. Put it in rain mode.
I love my Super... No, because it's not enjoyable to ride in rain mode. It's a race bike.
Sure it is.
No.
It's another sport bike with cruise control, but
Dude,
less likely to have a water pump failure and a catastrophic other BMW failure.
Get a Supermoto and tell me it's not the greatest thing God has ever invented.
I should get a Supermoto?
Yeah.
Do I have to get a body?
Brother.
No, it can be whatever you want.
Alright.
Just try one and you'll be like,
I don't know
oh
what
my
else
God.
there is.
Do another pull right here.
Say what?
Try first gear right here on the left.
First gear?
Yeah. You'll be fine.
I'll
You'll
just
be
do
fine.
second.
No. First. First gear, baby.
It came up.
Are you going full throttle?
What's that?
Are you going full throttle?
No, normally I never do.
Oh, go full throttle, fucking. What are you doing?
First gear at 60?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Do it. Do it.
Oh!
It's gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine. Just do it. You gotta be fine.
I'm not holding that out. Oh!
Be fine. Trust me.
I trust you, but I'm scared.
Oh my god. You just gotta trust the bike. Trust me.
Try it.
What do you mean try it? I've been trying it. See, that wasn't even me. That bike did that.
Yeah, I didn't do that. The bike did that.
No, because I know that bike will hold it out for you.
Ooh, that scared me.
Okay, maybe not now, because now we're in Strongsville.
Wait, what?
Maybe don't do it now because the cops sit up here in Strongsville. We can't. The reason I wanted you to do it back there is because we can't do it here.
I gotta air out because I think I shit myself. You're sitting still? Yeah, this thing is heavy. But when you get moving, you don't feel it at all. That's crazy.
I disagree. After riding it for quite a while, I noticed you notice the weight quite a lot.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, you're wrong. Here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
No kill. Dodged it.
Look at that memo. Oh
boy. Yeah, so plan is I'm gonna have you guys just pull into the BP and just wait for me while I grab the S1K.
Okay.
That way I don't disturb my neighbors too much. Alright, are you in the other lane, sir?
You know, I'm trying, okay? Just so you can get a good shot of it. How's that?
It looks beautiful.
There it is.
Such a funky, weird looking bike. It looks better with a person on it though, I will say.
It's, now that I'm on one, what throws me off is the intake duct right here. This is like,
Yeah, isn't it weird?
I've never noticed it on anything else. Like, any other videos or even looking at one. Like, now that I'm over it, it's like, why? What is that?
It has like a Ram air intake, but it's not like a traditional one where it just goes through the frame.
Yeah, like the ZX-10, it's just a wide open cube in the front.
Yeah. Same thing with his bike, but yeah, that one's weird because it goes around the side because it has to go in through the side because the supercharger is right there.
Right.
So it's a little bit funky like that, but I don't even know where the air filter is on that thing. Probably somewhere in there.
It's just
Probably under the tank.
Where's
I'm
the
gonna
bike?
guess it's right there.
I almost
Oh
dropped your
god.
bike.
Please don't stall. Please don't stall.
do it.
Yay!
I was more worried about stalling this bike, but it's actually kind of smooth. All right, we're just gonna turn left into the 7-Eleven here.
Okay.
This thing sounds so great. It's really hard to justify this purchase when the Panigale exists.
See, that's what I said about the Panigale, because the RSV4 exists.
Shit, that's crazy.
Dude, let's have a battle of the V4s next.
Ooh, not today though. It's hot as balls.
No, not today. No, miserable. Am I good to cut this off immediately?
I'll take it. I'm just gonna go that way. Just don't forget the kickstand, please. Drops it into the gas pump. Well, what'd you think?
Totally different from what I would expect. It's super smooth, and like I said, it's extremely, it feels really light when you're moving.
Yeah.
I mean, just varying back and forth in a lane. It doesn't feel, what, 540 pounds?
No. I think it's like 480, 490 or something. Fact check me, but I don't know.
I swear it was, I don't, regardless, it feels just like the ZX-10, except the power is definitely unmatched.
As I've ridden this bike more and more, you definitely do notice the weight as you do like more technical things. Like your initial impression, I had the exact same initial impression where I was like, oh, it's fine. But as I've put more miles on it, I'm like, okay, you definitely do notice the weight. The brakes are.
Sure, it threw me off how easily that wheel came up.
Do you like the brakes though?
Yeah.
I'm surprised you weren't even full throttle in it, dude. You gotta let the wheel come up. It's fun.
I can't do that.
That tire is looking like it's about to start showing wire. She might be cooked here.
Wow.
Yeah.
I just risked my life on that tire.
I'm sorry, bro. My bad. Alright, I'll be right back, boys. I'm gonna go grab the nice, reliable S1K.
Ow. I forgot to laugh.
Oh, alright, boys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys want to see more of my friends ride the H2 and get more of their impressions, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stick around. And anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.